Welcome to the ISO 17100 eWorkshop, a comprehensive program to help you implement a professional translation management system with confidence. This eWorkshop is designed to deliver expert-led sessions with Dr. Mohamed-Ali Ibrahim, practical tools and customizable templates, guidance to ensure certification readiness, and a globally recognized certification upon completion. Gain access to an exclusive ebook, a practical guide to ISO 17100 standards that will support you during and after the workshop. Explore narrated slide presentations to understand the principles, best practices, and applications of ISO 17100 for translation services. Utilize exclusive templates, procedures, and checklists to simplify the implementation process for your organization. Test your knowledge with multiple choice questions and get instant feedback to track your progress. Upon completing the workshop, earn a globally recognized certificate that demonstrates your expertise in ISO 17100 standards. Why join this eWorkshop? Learn from a globally recognized ISO expert, access tools designed for real-world application, and build skills to enhance your professional credibility. Enroll today in the ISO 17100 eWorkshop. Visit academy.iqc-vienna.com to begin your journey to mastering ISO 17100.